Hi friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Oh wow, it's Mega Rex. What? Who's that? It's Lion's Share. Who else can we find? What? What's Loco Punk doing? Get out of the tree, Loco Punk. Do you see any more? Is that one right there? It's Soldier of Fortune. So cool. Huh. Who else can we find? Who's in the tree? It's Battle Cat. So cool. Let's keep looking. Oh, it must be cold outside. It's 32 degrees. Who else can we find? Whoa! Check it out. It's Alien Invasion. Wow! It's Buns of Steel. That's a hamburger and french fry. That's so silly. Oh my goodness. It's Shark Reek. Huh. What? It's We'll Trash It All, just sitting up here in the tree. Get down from there. Who else can we find? Whoa. It's Chassis Snapper. So cool. Did we find them all? Oh look, there's one more. Can you see it? It's Piranha. So cool. Look at that. So cool. Let's see who we found today. Buns of Steel. Chassis Snapper. Piranha. 32 degrees. Shark Reek. We'll Trash It All. Alien Invasion. Lion's Share. Mega Rex. Loco Punk. Battle Cat. And Soldier of Fortune. How many did we find today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 monster trucks. See you next time. Hi friends. Let's go look for some more monster trucks. Whoa, it's Soldier of Fortune. Get in the bin. Motosaurus. Get in the bin. Monster Mutt. Get in the bin. 5 alarm. Check it out. So cool. Get in the bin. Whoa. V8 bomber. Get in the bin. Chum and get it. Get in the bin. Mega Rex. Get in the bin. Jurassic Attack. Get in the bin. Rhino Mite. Get in the bin. Son of a digger. Get in the bin. Try and crush me. Get in the bin. Let's see who we found today. Rhino Mite. Jurassic Attack. V8 Bomber. Soldier Fortune. Motosaurus. Son of a digger. Mega Rex. Monster Mite. 5 alarm. Try and crush me. And chum and get it. How many did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See you next time. Hi friends, let's go hunt for monster trucks. Whoa. Who's this? It's green. Really cool looking. Triceratops? Get in the bin. Whoa. Oh no, it fell apart. It's caught on a... There we go. Whoa, it's glow in the dark 5 alarm. Can we fix it? Yeah, that's a cool glow in the dark ladder. Get in the bin. Who's this? Whoa, it's snake bite. Look at those fangs. So cool. Get in the bin. Do y'all see any more? Whoa, who's this? It's glow in the dark bone crusher. Wait, bone shaker. Get in the bin. found another one. It's Max D. So cool. Get in the bin. Do you see the next one? It's Chum and Get It. Serving food. Get in the bin. Who's this? It's Yeti. Get in the bin, Yeti. I see two more. Who's this? It's Tiger Shark. Get in the bin, Tiger Shark. Who's this? Oh, it's Torque Terror. So cool. Get in the bin, Torque Terror. Let's see who we found today. Torque Terror, Tiger Shark, Chum and Get It, Yeti, Max D, Snakebite, Glow in the Dark Bone Shaker, Glow in the Dark 5 Alarm, and Triceratops. See you next time.